Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Super Inn Daytona Beach. It's a 1-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Less than 5 minutes drive from central Daytona Beach, this Super Inn is less than 10 minutes drive from the beach. Guests can enjoy free Wi-Fi. Laundry facilities and 24-hour reception are available for guests of the Super Inn Daytona Beach. Vending machines can also be found on site. A microwave and a small refrigerator are provided in the simply decorated rooms at the Daytona Beach Super Inn. A satellite TV with movie channels is also offered. Daytona Beach Golf Club is less than 1 mile from the hotel. Daytona Beach International Airport and Daytona International Speedway are both 5 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.